Hey guys, it's Courtney and Seth here today with another installment of
Unravel with the Jackson Travels.
Today we are going to tell you everything you need to know about the Cat in the Hat ride at Universal Orlando's Islands of Adventure. So if you'd like to join us, let's go! The Cat in the Hat ride is located inside of Universal Orlando's Islands of Adventure in Seuss Landing. The Cat in the Hat opened in May of 1999 and has been one of the go-to family rides ever since. To find the Cat in the Hat, you will need to make a right when entering Seuss Landing. Once you arrive at the ride, you will see the famous Cat's Hat at the top of the ride's entrance. Also, you will see a small glimpse of the Cat's Chaos at the ride's sign. Make note of the fish in the pot, the red box that carries Thing 1 and Thing 2, and the other topsy-turvy household items. All of these items will be seen on the ride when the children meet the cat. As you come to the ride's entrance, you will notice an express pass line and a traditional line. If you are curious about express passes and how to use them, be sure to check out our express pass video after this video. Regardless of which line you choose, you will be transported into the classic book, The Cat in the Hat. Be sure to look up on the walls to see some of the classic storybook scenes and quotes from the book. You are now transported outside of the house from the book where it's a rainy, wet day. Being one of Universal's smaller line queues, you won't be spending much time here. Your last and final stop will be inside of the house to begin your storybook journey. Be sure to look closely at the loading dock. All ride vehicles are comfy couches, similar to what you may see in the family's living room. All ride vehicles can hold 4 to 6 people, depending on if you have children with you. Once you board your ride vehicle, you will instantly be transported into the beloved book, The Cat in the Hat. Narrated by the story's characters, you ride along as the story's pages come to life. So now let's take a few sneak peeks into some of the classic ride scenes.
And we saw him, the Cat in the Hat!
With a cup and a cake on the top of my hat.
Into a pot.
Do I like this? Oh no, I do not.
I will pick up the book. You will see something new. 2 things. I call them Thing 1 and Thing 2. They oh so tame. They have come everywhere.
It should not.
You did not like our game. What a shame. What a shame. I will show you another good trick that I know.
Our mother came in and said to us to.
Did you have any fun? Tell me, what did you do?
Should we tell her about it? Now what should we do?
Once you exit the ride, take note of the child swap section of the queue to the right of the ride's exit. Just ask a team member for information. After you finish up your storybook ride, you will exit through Cat's Hats and Things, the ride's gift shop, with merchandise for any Cat in the Hat fan. Here, find teacher-themed merchandise and Thing 1 and Thing 2 merchandise for you and your family. Be sure to head back into Seuss Landing for a Cat in the Hat meet and greet. Just ask a team member for details. We hope you enjoyed this tour and overview of the Cat in the Hat ride at Universal Orlando's Islands of Adventure. If you haven't already, we hope you get to experience this classic attraction soon. If you want to know more about Seuss Landing at Universal, be sure to check out our full tour and overview video after this video. Please don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more Universal content coming soon. So until next time, we hope to see you on the next adventure. Bye!